Good afternoon, guys. Another interesting finish for a wonderful football game. Arsenal versus Fulham, and prediction 100% on the dot from my side. I have predicted that there will be 2-1 in favor of Arsenal, and this is what happened. So it was an interesting match, fantastic match. No goal scored in the first half, and Fulham took a lead in 56 minutes of the match, which remained for 9 minutes. And then Martin Odegaard, 64 minutes, and Gabriel Magalhaes in 85th minute after an earlier miss. So we have 2-1 in favor of Arsenal. Exciting, good level of football, very good match. Arsenal looking a different team from what we saw over the last few years. Now they are 4 matches and 4 win, and they are top of the table right now. Fulham has chances, their luck, but as it wasn't their day at the end. 8 minutes for the stoppage time as well, and still not a very good finish for them. Nevertheless, it is a commanding thing from Arsenal. If we talk a little bit about the stat, which was very interesting, Arsenal has 72% possession during the match, and there were 589 completed passes in as compared to 28% possession and 221 passes from Fulham. Pass accuracy 85% from Arsenal and 61% from Fulham. It is very low, and as in the term of Fulham, but Premier League, other teams are 85, 86, so it is good one. We can say that Arsenal was a better team today, better performance, and it is at the moment is the only team who yet to lose a point, and after 4 matches. So they have on 12 points, and many congratulations for the Arsenal fan, and we hope that coming matches will be an interesting one for as we saw today. Team will score, will play well. We will see a decent level in the football, and we can see that the crowd thoroughly enjoyed the match. We all both teams receive good support, and now we are after 4 matches. Arsenal is at the dream position, which is at the top of the league. How far they can maintain, that's have to think, because Manchester City has 10, Brighton has 10 as well. But nevertheless, I can expect some very good matches coming up next, and we hope as I said before, this match ended as per my prediction. I predicted 2-1 in favor of Arsenal, which was I was 100% correct. Again, I will come back very soon with another prediction video and post-match video as well. And until then, very good afternoon.